Tips for makeup and skincare. Makeup and skincare is generally regarded as women's forte. Men seldom indulge in makeup and skincare. Many men do care for their skin, but makeup is really alien to most men. Treating makeup and skincare as different topics wouldn't make sense. After all, makeup will work only if the skin is healthy. So how do you exercise makeup and skincare together? Here are some tips for makeup and skincare. Always have skincare on mind, whether you are buying products for makeup or actually applying them onto your skin after you have bought them. So what you are buying is a makeup and skincare product, not just a makeup product. Check the ingredients to see if it contains things that you might be allergic to. Also check if it contains high concentration chemicals that can harm your skin. Makeup and skincare is also about testing the products before using them. So, apply the makeup on a small patch of skin, e.g. earlobes, and check how your skin reacts to it. Keep track of expiry date on your makeup products and never use them beyond the expiry date. In fact, some products, e.g. vitamin C based products, if not stored properly, get spoiled much earlier than the expiry date. Cleanliness is an important part of makeup and skincare procedure. Sharpen your eyeliners regularly and keep all your makeup equipment clean at all times. You might fix a date, each month, for overhauling of your equipment. As part of cleanliness, your makeup and skincare procedure should also include keeping your hair clean at all times. Nail care is another important aspect of makeup and skincare. Use a good quality nail polish and always keep your nails clean. Once you are done with cleaning and polishing your nails, you should rub in cuticle oil at the edges of the nail. If you have deep-set eyes, you should use a liquid eyeliner instead of a pencil one. This will prevent smudging at the deep edges of your eyelid. If you have a skin disorder, e.g. acne, you should not apply heavy or chemical-based makeup. Consult your dermatologist if you are not sure about the makeup products that you can use while you have acne or other skin disorder. Never try to squeeze pimples or acne. Remember that makeup and skincare should not conflict each other. Use a mild makeup remover, instead of just washing it away. Another important makeup and skincare procedure is the following golden rule: never sleep with your makeup on while applying a deodorant. Make sure that you maintain the recommended distance between the nozzle and your skin, as mentioned on the deodorant pack. So, makeup and skincare should always go hand in hand. Do not try to treat makeup and skincare differently.